We just finished dealing with the Toodle 20, which was multiplication games, but these are games that involve all four arithmetic operations. We add, subtract, multiply, and divide all together. And this is a great mental exercise. It helps the part of our brain that we need that isn't about mimicking. Mimicking is very important, and that's what we will do next. But we also need the kind of think about things all floating around at once in our brain and how to put them together with math. And this is games for that. As a warm-up, we just got a random big number with a die, and we rolled 4 dice and got 3, 5, 1, and 3. Could we put those together to get this number? Sure, we did the 3 and the 5 first to get 15 with multiplying. Then we added 3 from this 3 and got to 18. And since we wanted 18, then we just did either times 1 or divided by 1 because that doesn't move it. With that warm-up, we played the invisible fairy race. We made a new copy that was bigger, and we didn't want to record it because that kind of puts people on the spot and it's awkward your first time. But we got pretty good at this. It was an exciting game, pretty close at the end. Contig is another way that you can do this kind of thing. You start by marking 1 square. We rolled and got 5. And then on your turn, you roll 3 dice, maybe 5, 3, and 1. And you want to get something that touches the already marked squares, as many of them as possible. So in this case, we could do 5 times 3 is 15, and then take away 1 and get 14. And by marking 14, we got 1 point because we were next to 1 square. And maybe you can make Contig even better than it already is. So that's what we did so far. Those again are games, especially this one, that help you figure out what to do with 4 numbers kind of floating about in the air in your head. And that's a good skill for getting ready for the GED. But what we're doing next is about how to do methods for multiplying and dividing without a calculator. And that kind of mimicry is a different kind of thing that's also good to do.